Hello students, good afternoon to all of you. In our previous lecture we have discussed the energy, power, etc. So today we will discuss the energy consumption. Basically the energy consumption means that how much energy is extracted from the supply, whether it is utilized or not. Its utilization is depend on the efficiency, but how much energy you extract from the supply, how much power you extract from the supply is your energy consumption. So basically the total energy input to the traction motor from the supply is the energy consumption. Okay, it is usually expressed in watt hour, which equals to 3600 joule. Okay, it can be found by dividing the energy output of the driving wheels with the combined efficiency of transmission, gear and motor. So the energy consumption will be output of driving axles upon the overall efficiency, which is the combination of efficiency of motor and the efficiency of gear. Okay, and next is the specific energy consumption. So it is the energy consumed per ton mass of the train per kilometer length of the run. So the specific energy consumption is specific will be specific or total energy consumed in watt hour upon train mass in ton into run length in kilometer. So it will becomes the specific energy output upon efficiency, overall efficiency, neta. So which is denoted by the neta symbol. Okay, and this is the combination of efficiency of gear and motor. So so the specific energy consumption will be, as we know that in our previous articles we have find the expression of specific energy output, which is this is the specific energy output, the expression of specific energy output, and this is also the expression for specific energy output with no gradient. This is with gradient and this is with no gradient, if there is no gradient. Okay, so in this continuation the specific energy consumption will be the same expression as we have already seen in article 43.41, but a symbol of the efficiency neta is also included here. Okay, similarly in no gradient system, again the efficiency, because this is the specific energy output upon neta is the specific energy consumption. So this symbol is also included there. Okay, and watt hour per ton kilometer are the units for the specific energy consumption. The specific energy consumption of a train running at a given schedule speed is influenced by 6 things, which is the distance between the stops, the acceleration, retardation, maximum speed, and type of train and equipment, and the track configuration. Okay, so these are the 6 things which affect the specific energy consumption. Okay, next is the adhesive weight. So basically it is given by the total weight carried on the driving wheels. It's a value WA, its a symbol is WA, adhesive weight is equals to XW, where W is the dead weight or and x is a fraction varying from 0.6 to 0.8. So we can say the adhesive weight is always less than the dead weight, and this weight is approximately 20 to 40% less than the dead weight. The adhesive weight is 20 to 40% less than the dead weight. Okay, so I think it's all for today. In our next lecture we will discuss the coefficient of adhesion and some other things. Okay, thank you very much.